Welcome back to my channel. So during today's video, I am going to be creating an eyeshadow look using the Colourpop's Mocktail eyeshadow palette, the 4-pan palette. And I am going to go ahead and get it started. So we're going to take the Colourpop, it's just this fluffy, large brush. And I'm going to take my creme brulee and we're going to set the base. Because there's not a lighter shade in the palette to set my base with. Get a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm just fluffing it to make sure it is blended together. So now let's go in with the, I'm going to have to take my crown and just a fluffy blending brush. And let's take the shade, the bottom matte shade. And we're going to blend it right in the crease area. I'm just still blending. That's a pretty color. And I'm just going to continue to blend. Take a little bit more of that shade and concentrate it right in the crease area with the tip of the brush. Because I want a little bit deep in my crease this morning. This is a nice shade. And the same thing for the other eye. I'm going in with circular motions. And just continue to blend in these circular motions right in the crease. And this is a nice brush for this. I'll take a little bit more on the tip of the brush on the side and right in the crease area. Because like I said, I want it a little bit more deeper this morning. Okay, so let's take a little bit more for this eye. The same thing. Right in the crease. This is nice. Take a little bit more for the crease on this side. That's looking pretty together. Okay, right in that crease. And it's taking so long because I like to lightly build them up instead of just packing them on my eye, especially when I'm going to work in the mornings. Okay, so continuing to blend. Just blend in circular motions. Okay, so now we're going to take the, I actually saw this fiber brush. So let's take this no, let's not do that. Here I go with this. Now I had started trying to do good about pulling this stuff out. So let's take the Sonia Kashik, and it's just this large fluffy brush. We're going to blend out the edges of the crease. And we're not adding any more shadow. Just blending circular motions and windshield wiper motions. That's pretty. This is a nice fluffy brush because it's not too dense. And it's diffusing my edges really good. This is so pretty, like so pretty to me. So now we're going to go back in with the palette, and we're going to take the deeper shade in the palette, which is the last shade, and we're going to pack that on the outer V. Kind of deepen it up a little bit and blend. Okay, the same thing for the other eye. Pack it and then blend it. And I'm going up in the crease just a little bit. It's just coming together so pretty. That is pretty. So now we're gonna go in with our base booster. We're gonna go with the BH Cosmetics base booster. I haven't used this in a while, because I've been trying to pan that Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm getting there. So we're gonna just place it on the lid, and I'm not going all the way over to my outer V. I'm just gonna the middle into the inner corner. And the same thing for this lid. Okay, so now let's go on with the Colourpop, and this is flat, fluffy brush, and let's go in with the peachy shade, the shimmer shade on the top row, and let's just place it. Oh, that's pretty. On the lid where we place the glitter glue. This is pretty, and a little bit up in the crease. This is so pretty. I like that. And pack it on the other eye. Just placing a little bit more. just to make sure it's packed really, really good. And sit on the lid. This is like a pretty shade. It's like a peachy shade with reflects of gold, and it's so pretty. So pretty. It's going to pack a little bit more. And a little bit more. So now I'm going to go back in with the crown brush, and we're going to mix the bottom two shades and place it back in that outer V area so we can blend the shadows together. And we're just blending. We're just blending the edges again. This is so pretty. I'm loving this. So now I'm going to go back in with the Sonia Kashik and just make sure everything is blended together. That's pretty. Okay, so now we are going to clean up under the eye area. Make sure it's clean really good. Okay, so let's blend a little bit more. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is the final eye look. I'm going to go off camera. You know what? Let's not do that. I need to blend out the portion from my lid to my brow bone. I don't want it that light. So let's go in with the I'm going with this BH Cosmetics V5 brush, and I'm going to use the Roaring Hearts eyeshadow palette. And let's take the, no, I don't want to use that one either. Because I don't want it too deep, but I don't want it too bright either. So we're going to take the Colourpop Jaclyn Hill Divine Neutrals palette. And let's take the shade, let's mix Just Barely and Chick Happens together. And then we're going to place it right on that bone, right under the brow bone area, and just place it. Yeah, that's perfect for that shade. Take a little bit more for the other eye, because it gives like that little a lighter shade rather than this really light shade, because I feel like it looked like a gap was between my shadows. And just make sure it's packed really good. And then we're going to lightly blend. Okay, so that is it. I love it. So I'm gonna jump off camera, finish the rest of my face, and I'll be back to show you guys my final look. See you guys in a bit. Welcome back. This is the finished look. I love how it came together. So to finish the rest of my face, I went ahead with my regular routine for my base, but I used the Kat Von D's Lock It in Neutral, and I mixed it with the Morphe's Fluidity in 2.70. For my shadows, I did not apply anything else on my lids, but I did use the gold shimmer shade, the first shade in the palette, and popped it into my inner corner. For my bronzers today, I used the Colourpop's Jet, and in addition to the LYS in the shade No Limits. And I used these two bronzers together. I did not use any blush today, but I did use my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And I highlighted my cheekbone areas, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now for my lips today, I used the Ulta eyeliner. And this is just this chocolate, and it has like a little small reflexive gold in it. And it's in the shade Chocolate. And the gloss I use is the Wet n Wild Catsuit gloss. You have the Catsuit gloss in the shade Peach State. My look. Wouldn't this it? Can you see? But this is like a nudie pink shade. That is all I did to finish this look. I love how it turned out. Like I said, I love that lid shade. It's like so pretty. This pretty peachy shade with gold reflex. It's like so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating this look. Hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.